अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 30 अक्टूबर को पार्क प्राइम होटल में रखा गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
तव शुभ नामे गाहे तव मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे।
Thank you. The unique business meeting. Welcome to ABC East 1 Group, Kolkata and India's first group of Alliance Business Connect. I'm clear? Yeah. Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a few special announcements today. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Be ready with your weekly fortnightly 45-second presentation script. Remember that we will be combining the standard fortnightly presentation with the referrals and testimonial into one 45-second member's presentation. When the first member presents his presentation, we request the next presenter to be ready with the presentation. Thank you.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee of the next 10 years. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators. Chapter Mentor, Mr. Satish Zakodiaji. Business Driver, Mayur Shah.
Good evening, friends. I am Kimi Sarda. I am now giving brief detail of the rules each member has to follow in ABC. Member should give reason for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absence in 3 months and no continuous 2 absence. In case of more than 3 absence in the quarter, his or her category will be made open and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter.
My role is to manage finances of the chapter. I am hereby announcing different awards and recognition scheme for the quarter ending September 2023. For every one-to-one 5 points, for every one referral 5 points, for every one visitor 10 points, for one business close 10 points, one corporate meeting 50 points, one new member induction 50 points, one-to-one conclave 100 points, one KYM
range of bed sheets. Our bed sheets are known for the exceptional quality and one can choose from various sizes, ensuring a snug and comfortable night's sleep. This festive season, let your bedroom become a heaven of comfort and aesthetics. Sweet dreams await you. Thank you. Signing off, Sangeeta Kanediwala.
Hello everyone, I'm Urvi Raja with my eggless bakery named Happy Sins. Our products are made with premium quality ingredients, ensuring an excellent taste.
Good evening friends, मैं सुधा अग्रवाल 15 वर्ष से भगवान की सेवा में उनके लिए डिज़ाइनर पोशाक छोटे बड़े मंदिर के अनेक पोशाक बनाने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है कि आप सब मेरे फेसबुक पोशाक डिज़ाइनर को फॉलो करें जहाँ।
Good evening ABC. I am dress designer Kishori Kabra. My company name is KK Fashion. We deal bulk of all type of designs. तो मैंने सच में दोस्तों ऐसा आप लोग के लिए इंतज़ाम किया है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और बेटी के साथ में केके फैशन बुटीक में आइए और अपने घर में खुशियों की बहार लाएं इस दिवाली पे।
Good evening ABC. This is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholenath Textile.
Good evening ABC. I'm Alok Poddar associated with Aditya Birla Health Insurance. I'm sharing USP of Aditya Birla Health Policy. Any age person can take the policy.
Good evening ABC. Hi, this is Chetan Murarka and I'm into pranic healing. That's a no-touch, no-drug therapy. So we deal with all psychological, emotional, physical or financial ailments you want to solve.
Good evening ABC. Myself Manish Chamadia, working as a sale and stock broker.
Good evening ABC. Good evening ABC.
Good evening.
Thank you. Myself Vikram Agarwal. My company name is Pure Sales. I'm into general insurance from last 16 years. So जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ इसलिए सबने ठुकराया PSF ने अपनाया. So anyone can come to us for any kind of insurance. But as a member, as a friend, I can suggest kindly do your disability insurance, which is actually very important to us. And also if you have pets, we are giving mediclaim to the pets also. जिसके घर में छोटे-छोटे puppies हैं, so we can give insurance to them also. I have a referral to Vivek ji, and mostly the thank you slip will be around the Vivek ji.
Good evening ABC. So my name is Naman Agarwal and I am representing my firm ABI Tracom Private Limited. So we are into the manufacturing of bed and bath linens like bed sheets, towels, and comforters, and we are supplying to all the major hotels and hospitals pan India, and even we are catering the government sector.
पेट के रास्ते दिल को छुए अपने चाहने वाले को with Beneath Satyam Catering. Happy and lovely evening, friends. Myself Beneath Peth from Beneath Satyam Catering.
Good evening all. I am Manish Dhanuka, having business of dairy products, telecom industry and service center.
Good evening ABC. Good evening. This is Atish Makharia from Cars. We have a multi-car service center that is near Science City. We are specialized in all luxury made cars like Audi, BMW, Mercedes. So you can connect me with your family and friends for
CA Neeraj Kejriwal. I am a practicing chartered accountant.
ABC. Shri Ram was a king, a warrior, a young man with generous intelligence. He was God, who can check and verify all details beforehand. Still, he needed assistance for reaching his destination, route, best time to travel, etc. from Sri Hanuman.
Good evening, friends. Myself Gyanvi, representing ITK Solutions. We are a one-stop technological solutions provider, dealing basically with all IT and networking solutions, security surveillance, building barcoding, audio visuals. So, like we are watching World Cup as of now, you can view it. You can make an Inox at your.
Myself Shamal Kaur Pali, complete HR solution provider.
छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। आपके बच्चों ने तो आसमानों में उड़ने की प्लानिंग कर ली है, पर क्या आपने उनके सपनों के लिए, उनके फ्यूचर के लिए प्लान किया है? क्या आप जानते हैं कि सिर्फ 5,000 रुपये की सेविंग आपके बच्चों को करोड़पति बना सकती है? तो आइए मेरे पास, अपने बच्चे के फ्यूचर को प्लान करिए, उनके सपनों को साकार करिए। साइनिंग ऑफ, आशीष कुमार सारडा, योर म्यूचुअल फंड एडवाइजर।
Myself Rahul Singh, substituting Dr. Moa Bhattacharya of Kolkata, is down with fever with maybe typhoid, dengue, viral fever. Weather changes, please do a blood test for diagnosis.
Myself Rakesh Jaswal, owner of Ganga Bitan Abode, a riverside homestay 55 km from Kolkata.
ABC, Subho Vijaya, नाम शुभेंद्र भैया, company Tulsi Paints Private Limited.
I'm in the business of modular kitchen and wardrobe from the last 8 years.
Good evening, ABC. Myself Vivek Swana from Powers Enterprises. Our company name is Powers Enterprises, whereas the brand name is Krivi. First of all, happy Dussehra to all of you and Shubho Vijaya. I have given business to, received business from Vikram Agarwal ji. Thank you so much.
I am Kush Agarwal, representing my company Shiny Petals in the category of corporate gifting. We are end-to-end gifting solutions.
I am Raja Paul from SRT Automation. I am your gate automation and safety partner.
ABC, I am Megha Agarwal, co-founder of the Community Media under the category of graphics and digital marketing. Our services are social media marketing, Google AdWords, SEO, graphic designing. We love everything digital, so bring us any product or service, we can market it for you.
Myself Rahul Hirawat from aramestate.com, helping people to buy their dream homes for past 12 years.
त्योहारों का सीजन, घर हो, परिवार हो या व्यापार, त्योहारों का मतलब उपहार ही उपहार। 500 से लेकर 5100 तक आपकी आवश्यकता के अनुसार ड्राई फ्रूट्स, देसी घी, बटर, कुकीज, स्नैक्स, चूरन, सुपारी के हैम्पर्स, बॉक्सेस, ट्रेस के लिए अरब बाजार को करें यार। थैंक यू।
नरेंद्र सिंह सिकावत, representing my company Home Appliances Doctor. We are.
This is Advocate KD Singh and my company name is the KDN Company.
This is Jay from Overseas Guardians. Overseas Guardian is the platform that guides students throughout enrolling in an international education institution.
I am Jitendra Kumar Botra from Harmony Global Partner.
This is Gaurav Mittal, representing my company IS Steels. We basically deal in steel scrap. तो मैं आपका कबाड़ी वाला हूँ, बट आपके घर का कबाड़ नहीं लूँगा। आपकी जान पहचान में किसी का भी लोहे का काम हो और उनके यहाँ कुछ भी मैन्युफैक्चर होता हो तो उनका स्क्रैप में ले सकता हूँ। थैंक यू।
I am Ajit Kumar Misra, substitute of Ronak Moore from JB Steels.
Style is not for philosophy, it's for life. Hi, I am Richa Musadia, an interior designer from Richa Interior.
With us, we have Partha Bhattacharya. Silicon System is one of the most experienced enterprise solution provider. And
Bulgaria, my company name is Maya Battery. We deal in Excite, battery, inverters and UPS systems.
Good evening everybody, myself Poonam Chandak. I belong to my company CYP Financial Services and our expertise is in claim settlement.
Captain Kaladam Mustami, Hivis Hotel and Resort Goa.
Good evening everybody, my name is Girish Sharawagi. and my company's name is Ritu Phalam. We are located right next to HHI Hotel.
Hello friends, Diwali आ गई है, तो I would like to say, first of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Diwali in advance. Now, we are into production of children for the last 3 to 4 decades, and all varieties of children is available. Next, we customize, we make chocolates, not the flavored ones, but fresh crushed fruits, and into dry fruits, and the lights, the most important of all, the lights, all sorts of lights, and waterproof, minimum 15 meters in length, that will decorate your house, shops, buildings and everything.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Swati Keshan, daughter of Meena Keshan. I got that business from her, but yes, at the same time, I'm into basically Astro Vastu. When people talk about astrology, अरे हाथ में पहना दो कि नवरत्न काम नक्की हुआ, पर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ because I am a GIA grad also from Gemological Institute of America, and yes, when it comes to me, I tell you 45 days workout, just talk to me. मैं फीस नहीं लूँगी स्टार्टिंग में, आप रेमेडीज निकालो, आप खुद मेरे को आके रुपया दोगे, रेफरेंस दोगे. That is what I work with. Thank you so much.
Warm welcome to our honorable visitors. मैं अलाई आदित्य कसेरा, एक LIC जीवन बीमा सलाहकार हूँ. करवा चौथ पर आपकी पत्नी आपकी लंबी आयु और रक्षा के लिए सूर्योदय से लेकर चांद निकलने तक व्रत रखती है. उसके इस प्रेम भाव के बदले आपको भी उसे आजीवन सुरक्षा की भेंट देनी चाहिए. आपके जीवन साथी के लिए सर्वोत्तम उपहार LIC जीवन बीमा पॉलिसी में निवेश करें और अपने जीवन साथी को आजीवन सुरक्षा भेंट करें. घर रहेगा सुखी और सुंदर जब बीमा होगा घर के अंदर. मेरा संपर्क कराएं अपने सभी मित्रों और रिश्तेदारों से जो जीवन बीमा सुरक्षा कवच लेने में इच्छुक हो. हर पल आपके साथ आपका दोस्त LIC आदित्य कसेरा. धन्यवाद.
Good evening, members and guests. Welcome Diwali festival with the magnificent crystal Shriyantars and crystal diyas. It is believed that Goddess Lakshmi never leaves the house where Shriyantar is worshipped. Shriyantar and diyas made of natural crystal and spodic eliminates the negativity and brings positive around us, which are available at my showroom Feng Shui Towers. Lit the crystal diyas and brighten your festive season with happiness, abundance and prosperity.
Good evening friends. दिवाली का त्योहार है आया, खुशियाँ अनेक लाया. आपकी खुशियों में लगाने 4 चांद, आर्या ज्वेल्स लाया है गहनों की बहार. Please connect me, your family and friends to me, your jewelry partner, Arya Jewels. For exclusive festive designs. Signing off, Kimi Sarda from Arya Jewels.
Good evening everyone. But I already took a permission from HT, so sorry for that. But today, पता नहीं वो मेरी आदत है ना, crave होती है थोड़ी सी energy. So I want to give my presentation. A thank you slip to Kimi and Vivek ji, and received 8 referrals from Shamal da. So now please, मेरे 10 seconds बचे हैं, I need your clapping now, please.
Good evening friends.
Good evening.
5 seconds चला गया. Myself Desmond Nolga from Seven Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for last 25 years, catering to all type of corporates, MSME and individuals. We are associated with majorly all nationalized bank, private bank and NBFC. If you want money for smooth running of your business, want money for study of your children, want to set up a project, purchase or renovate your home, want money for marriage of your son or daughter, call us. We are just one call away to solve your problem. 30 सेकंड की बात थी, 30 सेकंड में घंटियाँ बज रही है और मेरे को तो 30 सेकंड मिलना था एक्स्ट्रा. I am paying 500 for that.
Oh, sorry.
Good to have secretary like her. Because to give your introduction and tell about who has introduced you, sir. Who is your sponsor?
Everyone, this is Kautik Sen. I represent Life Insurance Corporation and I have been introduced by Ashish Chatal.
Good evening, my name is Kamlesh Advani. I'm into service apartments at Park Street and Baligarh, and also have a villa at Country Roads Resort, which I give it out on rent.
Good evening, friends. I am Mrs. Sangeeta Advani. I assist my husband, Mr. Kamlesh Advani, in the same business. So happy to see you.
Good evening, IBC. I am Rashmi Jain from Bandhan Hubs. We deal into organic beauty products.
evening. I am Vinod Sanjay from Sangi Letters, a real estate property consultant.
Namaste everyone. I am Koeli Vomik Rajan. I am in makeup business. Any makeup, bridal, reception, everything. Hair, makeup, everything. So, किसी को भी सीधा से कितना बनना है, is your line. So please contact me. I am ready. My possible.
My name is Bhagwan Das Agarwal. I am in manufacturing of bottled water.
This is Aryan Modi from Allied Pumps, dealing in the category of water pumps and motors. And
I am Manoj Singh, founder of Genex Window Covering Private Limited. We involved in manufacturing of sofas. So my home.
Good evening everyone. मेरा नाम सोनिया छाबड़ा है. Good evening everyone. मेरा नाम सोनिया छाबड़ा है. मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ. मैंने अभी वॉइस ओवर नाइट में 20 पार्टिसिपेट का मेकअप किया है. थैंक यू.
नेम इज एडिलवाइज टोक्यो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और मैं श्यामल कुमार पारिक का डिफेंस है. थैंक यू.
Myself Sanket Gupta, owner of LBT Mobile India. My sponsor is Mr. Vikram Agarwal.
Good evening ABC. My name is Anirudh Jhajaria. I thank Atish ji for inviting me.
Now I would request. Now we are going to have Edu slot. We welcome Mr. Chetan Mazarka, our education coordinator, to tell us more about how to create for more referrals.
USP is not a hook. फिशिंग किसी ने की है लाइफ में या देखी है? क्या करते हैं बताइए सर.
हुक लगा के फिश पकड़ और हुक में हम क्या डालते हैं?
जो उसे पसंद है, राइट? So I'll give you two examples. I'll start my own so it gets filtered out. Okay. So I am into pranic healing and we deal with lot of people those who are psychosomatic or physical challenges. Okay. So for me, hope is to generate more referrals कि अगर आप कोई भी पार्टी में जा रहे हो, कोई गैदरिंग में जा रहे हो और आप किसी को भी देखते हो कि वो वॉकिंग स्टिक लेके चल रहा है, स्ट्रेचर पे है, व्हील चेयर पे है या आ ओ की आवाज कर रहा है. So you just introduce me to them.
We have brought forward a balance of rupees 57,340 from previous quarter. In this quarter, we have received rupees 4,14,901 rupees from subscription and meeting fees, rupees 25,900 towards visitor fees, from roster advertisement 15,000, from standing promotion 9,000. In total, it comes to rupees 5,22,141. From expenses side, we have paid rupees 2,46,075 to part-time towards meeting charges, rupees 6,000 towards tip, 100 rupees 1,000 towards banner, 2,000 towards mic man Subhajit, 10,800 towards cameraman, 800 towards gift, 43,200 towards induction kit, roster designing and printing 25,500, flowers 500, YouTube video 4,000, balloons 2,000, badges and bill books 1,500, mic 4,000. Towards cake we have paid rupees 10,125. For creatives we have paid rupees 3,000. Total expenses comes to around rupees 3,60,500. And total cash in hand is rupees 1,61,641 as on 30 September 2020.